Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain HackerRank SQL basic select Japanese cities names. In the previous lecture, I have explained Japanese cities attributes. That means here query the names of all Japanese cities in the city table. Country code is for Japan is JPN. So these are the fields and these are the that fields data types. So what is the difference between previous lecture and this one? Japanese cities attribute and Japanese cities names. Here in the previous case there is a star, all the fields we have displayed, but here only the names. What is the query? Select star in the previous problem. Now here names only. Here all the names of Japanese. So now here only name from which table? City. Where where country code is equals to, so that is JPN. So it is terminated by semicolon. So here what is the Japanese cities attributes? Means all the columns. Here only one column is I am selecting, that is name. So let me run this code. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you very much to you all. Select name from city where country code is Japan.